Here we are approaching a child's park.
Hello, and welcome to the first episode of the Hiking Herbivores. Today, it is a little bit overcast, a little rainy, but we thought what better day to go to a waterfall than a rainy day. And let me tell you, Child's Park is roaring. Tell them, Abby.
Beautiful! It's Flumer Fall! Yeah, yeah. Wow, Zach.
Finally on some trails.
Are you parched?
Off of the boardwalk. I am very parched.
I'm parched.
I don't know what we can do for water.
Good thing we have the live straw.
Here we are at the top of Child's Park. We're getting a little thirsty, so Abby's gonna get some water.
Some people think you have to get your water shipped in from Fuji. A 16-hour flight. And really, look how much we have here. Mineral rich and everything. Cold and delicious. Fresh.
So Abby's gonna get us some water right now.
There's the proper usage of a life straw. If you haven't used it in a little bit, you know, work and school getting in the way. There's some water trapped in there. You don't want any mold growth. So what you do is you taste it.
And you fall in the water. Way to go. Great job, Abby. Are you okay? Is your foot wet?
Yeah.
How wet is your foot? It's really wet?
Yeah, it actually hurt my shoulder. Okay, anyway.
Alright, so take 2 of Abby trying to get water from Child's Park.
I was trying to get water from the flowing section because that is the best place to get it from. Sometimes I pick up some leaves and put them in. No, I'm just kidding. I never do that. Yeah, so then you just connect this straw in here. And you twist, and you push it, and you put the lid. And then step number 3 is
Do you feel the energy of the waterfall flowing through your veins?
yes. So many minerals.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Loki, how is your hike going? Loki, hey, how is your hike going? Can you tell me? You're getting... Alright Loki, how are your feelings on the waterfalls today and the hike? Come on Loki, you gotta answer the question. Come on Loki, I'm putting you on the spot. You gotta answer the question. You gotta answer it. Loki!
getting dark. We have a hike back to camp. Just kidding, we're not even camping. I wish we were. We have to go back to the car and drive home and sleep in normal beds and wake up early in the morning and go to work and go to school, because work and school get in the way of going to the beautiful things the world has to offer. It's a little rough, but it is what it is. It's a little dark out. Here's a waterfall.
Abby, there's like nothing there.
Why? Because it's dark?
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Alright.